So today we are going to show how to make a very easy and simple homemade candy. Yep, you heard it right. We are going to make a homemade candy. We are going to extract the coconut milk. Let's not add so much water on it, just a little, so that we can get a better taste of the coconut milk. So we have prepared all the necessary materials and ingredients for our Tira Tira. For the ingredients, we only have 3. First, we have here our sugar and the coconut milk. And lastly, to add some little fun and flavor in it, we have peanut. And as you can see, we also have here a banana stem. This is not part of the ingredients, but this will be used when we already cooked our Tira Tira and we will put it there. Alright, now let's cook it. As you can see, the coconut milk is now boiling. So let's now add the sugar. Stir it very well. Make sure that the sugar is properly melted. You have to continuously stir it until it becomes sticky. The goal is to get that sticky mixture. In stirring it, be sure that the fire is consistent. You should not stop stirring it until it becomes sticky. Now let's add the peanut. As you can see, it is slowly getting sticky now. Just a few more minutes and this candy is done. After some time of stirring it, as you can see, it's now really sticky. So it's time to transfer it. It's now cooked. As I've said, the banana stem will be used. So here is our Tira Tira. We have transferred it in the banana stem. This is to get it easily after letting it rest for a while. After letting it rest and cool down for a little while, let's now form shapes out of it.